Inhale, now I'm tapped in once again. Been here since pyramids on the grid. Time really ain't real, shit, that's what it is. Third eye wide open, time to live. Took a look inside and I feel the bliss. What a feeling to be lost in the infinite.
Welcome to Serenity Offgrid. If you're new here, we opened our first 1-acre glamping area on Memorial Day. Now we're working on fencing off a 2-acre section for our homestead. We're building a peaceful off-grid retreat in the high desert of New Mexico. So today, we're picking up railroad ties to start laying out the perimeter of the fence. Digging 6 2-foot holes in rocky desert soil isn't easy, but my husband is up for the job.
Right, 2 feet. So the ground is not as hard as I thought it would be, which I'm grateful for that. So that's 2 feet. Got 2 more to do.
Okay, you're not over the hole, but I guess you can push it over. Come on up, back some more. Whoa.
The next day, we return to start placing the posts. These will be the anchor for our new homestead fence line.
Workout, baby.
Sometimes it doesn't go as planned. This hole went too deep, so we had to backtrack and make it right. We placed 6 ties today. This is just the beginning of building out our 2-acre homestead. This is what progress looks like, one day at a time. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. As we share our journey of building our off-grid homestead, thanks for watching.